Good morning, everyone. We are now headed to Jules Bakery and Cafe. Lots of gluten-free here. It's actually only gluten-free. And we ate here a year ago after staying at the Canby, which we just came from right now. And we didn't do a video then, so we had to do one now because this place is outstanding. Anyways, let's go inside and check it out. All right, the menu. Go ahead and pause it so you can check it out. It's all gluten-free. Got the chicken and waffles. This place is outstanding. All right, guys, truffle aioli fries. It's a starter. You guys went with the millionaire. It's got the donuts, the waffle. It's got the maple drizzle, ghost pepper, candy bacon. Oh my God. And then Nicole went with the avocado toast. All right. Thank you, Jules, for an easy menu that we don't have to navigate through to find stuff we can't or can eat. That was so good. Obviously, brought lots home with us because that meal was huge. Breakfast with tip, 72 doll hairs. So yeah, it's expensive in the States, people. You better save up if you're traveling here because it ain't cheap. All right, guys, till next time from Phoenix, we're out of here. Adios.